Don't forget to subscribe, click the little like button, hit the notification bell, and feel free to leave a comment or ask me questions about what you saw in this video. And I will get back to you and try to answer to the best of my ability. Because it really helps the algorithm to let other people know that you had a good time watching this video. Then YouTube will offer this video to future potential viewers. If you want to support my channel, please consider becoming a Patreon and join a small tight-knit community and get access to bits of exclusive content and early access now and then. If you are new to my videos or you would like to continue watching, I would like to suggest these two videos for you that I think you would find very interesting.